this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and we are back with 12 Days of Christmas. We are on to day 4, which is Christmas pudding. Let me make sure of where I'm at. Oh, we're on to day 5. I should have known. Today's December 5th. Hello. On to Christmas pudding. Yesterday we did the snowman, snow woman. Today is Christmas pudding, and I wasn't familiar with this at all until Pumpkin suggested Christmas pudding, Pumpkin's Nail Station. So check out her videos. Her video will be linked down in the comments, pinned, and in the description box. I did find an image on Pinterest. This is what, this is what I am going by. My little how to do. I have done 3 nails instead of 1. We were only going to be doing 1 nail, but I decided to do 3 for this. I used Beetles polish. This is number 309. For the white, I'll be using that as Diva in a Bottle. It looks like there's green in our white. I don't know what is up with that. I haven't used it. Trying to get that out of here. We do not want green in our white. There we go. I think I got it. So our white is Diva in a Bottle. The red we are using is by Beetles, number 448. And our green is number 482, because we are doing the little winter berries, I guess you call them, at the top. So I've got my itty bitty little brush. And I'm going to soak up some white paint and try my best to draw this. Remember to brace your finger. Oh, then my phone goes dark. That's just beautiful. I need to see what I'm doing. And we will fill this in with the white once I do the outline of it. We will fill it in. So for that, I'm going to use partially the brush, partially a dotting tool, this may take 2 coats. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell and you'll get notified of all future videos. Fill this in here. Please go check out Pumpkin's video as well. And check out my advent calendar by Charlie's Nail Art that I'm doing. Those are 24 days. And that's 24 different manicures I'll be doing with that. Something different to see. For those, I'll only be doing 1 nail. Not a full mani or even 3. Just one little nail. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Whoops. Give these a cure and we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp. Now we are going to put our little berries on. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. There we go. We're going to stick these in for a flash cure because I do not want to try to do the leaves with the berries not cured. And the green that we are using, I said it was Beetles, but it's really dark, but it's sparkly. So I want to use that. Hope everybody is enjoying our 12 days of Christmas. Hope you are with us each and every day and following along. Checking out Pumpkin's Snail Station as well as my own. Please give us a full view on the both of us. We'd really appreciate it. Okay, hurry up, lamp. I don't know if you can see how small of a brush I'm using. I don't know which brush to call it, a detail brush maybe. Maybe. So we are going to attempt to draw some holly leaves. Fill those in. And we'll have us some Christmas pudding. I am very curious what this tastes like. Very curious. So, I may be asking for a recipe or Googling it. Something. I'm curious. It looks delish. It really does. Looks like it would be like some chocolate pudding with, oh, to me, just some whipped cream on top. We have to ask Pumpkin about that. What exactly is Christmas pudding? So there we go. Those is our Christmas pudding. We're gonna pop these in the lamp. Give these a full cure and we will be back. I have top coated the nails and they are fresh out of the lamp. I think they turned out really, really super cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Christmas pudding for our 12 days of Christmas. We are on day 5. It is December 5th. Hope everyone is having a great December so far. The best that you can possibly have. Yes. So yeah, stay tuned for day 6. Have a blessed day and thank you.